Hey, yo!
Put the dipstick back in there.
Probably tomorrow when I... Right, good morning. Exciting day today. Off to the farm to fit some bits on my car. Currently, the item that I'm going to fit in my car is in the back of Jan's van, being trailered, well, in the back of his truck. Sorry, not van, it's not a van anymore. It's in the back of his truck because I can't fit it in my car yet. Yeah, I mean, you can probably tell by the thumbnail or title or whatever, but today we're actually chucking a cage in here and sorting out a few other bits, including a new shifter. So yeah, there's a lot to do at the farm today. He's also ripping an engine out of his E30. So yeah, we've got an early start. We're already on the way. It's, well, I say early start, it's almost 9 o'clock now, but we're nearly there. And yeah, hopefully everything goes well, and by the end of this I have a cage and a harness. My other harness didn't arrive in time, sadly, but I'm still gonna put the harness mounting points in today, so that's at least done. Yeah, should be good. And I don't know, next clip.
M3. I know. I think it would look really good in my F80 M3 when it gets in.
I don't hate it. It's just definitely not what I ordered.
That's cool. I don't really know what I'm looking at, but it looks like all of the fucking everything. They're going
Drum, hold. No, you rotate down. Yeah. Okay, I didn't mean. I meant just upright. Hang on. Yeah, and then twist down. Yeah. A bit more. And then you go. Yeah. Fuck. Wait, hang on. Yeah, pick it.
Yeah. Like left.
Oh, the roll cage is in there. You go up now, come to me. Come to Daddy. What the fuck?
Move. No, you're being retarded.
like fucking you. To you.
Yeah.
We're sewing.
What the hell?
I think these things are going to...
Guys.
Chaz, I think that this is your hoop, and I think this is your back brace.
Yeah. I think Chaz is right.
Yeah.
Wait, what? What? Something doesn't look right.
How many men does it take to fit a cage?
Pick it. Go more upright, Jack.
I am upright.
More upright.
No, I can't.
Yeah, go let your end down. Out, watch the sill, Jan.
I'm on the sill. I'm denting it. We're literally
Yeah,
inside.
that's fit. Just bolt like that.
Inside. Maybe you bought the front half of the cage. I'm stuck.
Do you know what we should have done? Is taken those feet off.
I'm stuck. We're not going to be able to get it in, are we?
No.
Just smack me in the nuts, you cunt.
Right. One of Alan's key. Oh no, we're good. They're loose. You know what? That's revenge.
No. Ow! It's annoying, isn't it?
Not what's annoying is your voice.
What?
Babe. Babe, I'm really overwhelmed right now. Oh fuck.
I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it. But you 46-year-old babe, you're not doing it. I think we need to pivot forwards again.
We need this to fuck off.
No, pivot forwards.
I'm sure we could just screwdriver that off, couldn't we?
And now shunt in.
Which one?
The bottom.
Do you think we should have taken the carpets out?
I was just thinking that.
Come out.
Yeah. Oh.
Well, we've got like.
My car is very saint-like now.
Well, this side's alright. Hang on. Look.
Ah, no issues.
Stop that.
Right, quick pause in the video while you guys are watching some vertical footage of us pissing about with the car. As you may have noticed, the cage needs welding in. This was not advertised on the website and I'm by far not a welder. So, bit of an issue there. What we're doing in this clip is we're actually moving the car around to go to a welding machine and giving it a go. However, to cut a long story short, it did not go well, and I had to then take it to my friend Phil at Garage 11 Cages to get him to weld it in. Even that was a nightmare, and he struggled massively, so I can't stress this enough. I really don't recommend buying kind of a kit cage. Just get one pre-made. I wish I had, I really do. Yeah, you'll see these photos now of how bad the fitting is really. No one can weld that. Bless Phil here to basically remake all of them just so they'd fit. So yeah, definitely just get a custom cage. Don't buy any of these kits. They're not worth the faff. But check out the Steezy camping chair.
Spit down.
Leave that bit of chairs.
So for some context, the company I bought this from, I reached out to them and they asked for more photos when the fronts have been tacked in. These are what I sent them. They had no response for me. Quite literally no response. So please, save yourself the faff, get a custom cage.
Hey, yo!
Philip is some boy.
He done alright, and he...
Out Garage 11 Cages.
Another one.
So by
He
the...
welded a washer into the hole.
Yeah.
Yeah, mate.
Wait, no, just not the seat, okay?
What do you mean?
That's tighter than it was before, in fairness.
Not if you're wiggle it the right way.
Now you can stand on the roof.
I'd wiggle like
Wait,
that.
what?
I can feel it hitting the cage.
I like the blue.
So do I. But now it's in, I don't mind it as much.
At what point do we start taking this off?
Probably tomorrow when it... Oh, don't look at that, there's a lot of rust. It's a great car, thank you. There's a lot of rust.
Chaz! She's full of shit.
No, you were saying you really like the car?
No.
Thank you.
Answer.
These guys know what's up. You can...
Good work. Wait, we need to rip that sticker off.
Get it off.
What sticker?
The JP sticker.
If
Really?
anyone's gonna buy a cage from JP Cages, fucking don't.
Anyway, how's the cage?
That's good. Now Philip sorted it out.
Yeah, now Phil sorted it. It looks pretty mean. Hold on, that's my dipstick.
Put the dipstick back in there.
Either you put the dips... That's not in.
Oh, you're good at that.
It's all on my hand. Right, so obviously I had some issues installing the cage and had to take it to a friend of mine who's a welder, Phil, from Garage 11 Cages, and actually get him to sort it for me. The cage is now in and it does look pretty good. I've removed the stickers of the cage company because, yeah. Gonna leave it up to you as to why I've removed them. But it's in, I'd need to harness it and everything. But, this is what it looks like. It is a much lighter blue than I believed I was ordering. So I wasn't super stoked on that, but nonetheless, it's in and it's all right, and I actually don't mind it too much. But yeah, I need to take this seat out because the rails underneath aren't quite tightened down, and then kind of put it all back together. But it's warm at the moment. I don't have the weather on my watch, but it was like 29 today, so can't be too far off that. I'll show you more once things are installed. So I'm just gonna tighten everything in and passenger seat, and maybe try and run a harness as well while I'm at it. So we'll see. Cut to in a bit's time. Right, so obviously there's no seats in at the moment, but this is the cage in all its glory, I guess. You can see obviously it has been welded in. These boxes did not fit originally. You can see the size difference. Like, look how little is on that one and how much meat is on this one. Yeah, I don't know how it was ever going to fit from factory, but also it never advertised that it was welding. It only said bolt in, and obviously it's bolt into the welded plates, but you've got to weld them first, and I have no idea how to weld. But I don't mind it too much. It is, like I said, a little bit lighter than I expected, but I'm happy. I'm stoked to have a cage in there. So that's like a huge start, really. Right, so you can see both seats are now in. There are no harnesses yet because I need to drill some holes to get them all to fit and work out, and I just don't have time for that. I'm happy with it. It looks pretty good. It just was way more of a pain than it needed to be to install. So, yeah. I will put up some side-by-side photos of what the website said it should look like as opposed to what it does look like, so you guys can kind of get an understanding. But if you look over on that side, you can see how much meat is actually on the kind of welded in plate. And then if we come to this side, out of my head, there's nowhere near as much metal there. So yeah, I mean, I think it looks pretty good. Again, not the colour I expected. This on screen is kind of the colour that I thought I was getting. It's not quite that, but I still like it. It's still fine. Lesson of the day is just get a custom cage. I think it's well worth it and not worth the hassle dealing with these bolt-in cages and stuff. I know there are some companies out there like Southwest Motorsport that do it and they have no issues. I've just clearly got unfortunate with the company I picked. So yeah, it's all in. Harness is in soon, hopefully. And then yeah, hopefully after that it won't be long until I'm on to some more fun, exciting mods and maybe a bit of power, which would be good. But as always, thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, all of that. Let me know what your thoughts on the cage are and the cage colour, and what colour you would have gone for out of curiosity with this silver colour. But yeah, hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.